Hello, I am Ark from ARC Precision. Let us talk about our case feeder options. As you know, our ARC Ultimate comes standard with a laser cut case feeder. Dependent on case size, it can take about 50 cases. But what if you need to anneal many more in one batch? If you are familiar with the Dillon type feeders, then this is for you. Let me show you what is needed. Easy peasy stuff. Firstly, we need a stand that fits onto our current top. Here we show the model and where the stand goes. Next we need 4 legs onto the new feeder stand. Here one can see the fitment. Now we need to add a level to host the servo. The top side smooth with the fitting part on the bottom. See where the 4 legs fit. Here we see the actual top and bottom with the servo installed. Adding it all together, it looks like this. We want to use our current grabber wheels and base, so next we need to make space for them. This part we will line up on top and glue into place. Once again, easy stuff. Nicely lined up and fitted on top. If we ensure the case are dropped in this area, the grabber wheel and pull them towards the drop hole, leading all the way down. Make sure the grabber base can reach the drop hole or drop position. Here we show the movement in action. Use the feeder setup screen to adjust the end points of the movement. All that is left is to fit and glue the feed tunnel in place. The parts are 3D printed, we can email the STL files for free. Or ask us for a price on the parts needed. You can use the servo and cable from your ARC feeder. Or we can sell you a complete kit. The answer is one email away. Visit our web or email us for more information. Thank you, Robert, our good friend. Happy annealing, till next time.